Hello everyone, welcome again to Meals with Sue. This video is about Sambal Nasi Lemak. Sambal Nasi Lemak is the thick, rich, spicy chili sauce that is specially made to accompany Malaysia's most famous and most eaten dish, Nasi Lemak, fragrant rice cooked in coconut milk. The sambal is the soul of the dish. The spicy chili sauce or paste has complicated layers of taste, a delicate level of spiciness, a tad of tanginess, an underlying sweetness, and in the heart of it is this hard to describe fifth umami taste, which is uniquely achieved through fermented shrimp paste, lovingly called belacan by Malaysians. I have seldom come across this complicated layering of taste and combination of taste in an all-in-one tiny dollop of sambal. Popular in Malaysia, Indonesia, and other parts of Southeast Asia, sambal is made from a variety of dried and fresh chili peppers that are delicately spicy, but not overpowering spicy. Other ingredients are garlic, shallots, onions, and sometimes lemongrass, palm sugar, tamarind juice, and shrimp paste. In this recipe, I used 2 whole onions that were chopped up and blended in the blender. Blend till it is very fine, like a paste. Finally, heat up the wok and then add some 10 tablespoons of oil. After the oil is hot, add in the blended onions and stir lovingly for 25 to 30 minutes. Malaysians will always use shallots as it is more fragrant. As it is harder to find shallots here, you can use onions to replace them. If shallots are available, then use 20 to 30 shallots depending on the size. The reason for stirring this paste for so long is to dry up this paste. Stirring the paste will make it dehydrated and will also cook the onion completely. It is important not to turn up the heat nor hurry the process, as you don't want the onions to get burnt. Then the sambal will have a bitter taste. Use the medium or low heat for this recipe. I showed you nearly the entirety of the process, so you will notice the change of color of the onions while noting how the dampness has evaporated as you stir the paste slowly. Occasionally add some oil, whether olive oil or peanut oil, as you stir. This mixture is infused with oil to enhance the taste while lengthening the shelf life. We can keep it longer in the fridge or freezer. Stir till the point where you notice that the onions has become browner and drier as if a paste. This is an important phase. That I bought. This brand is a Malaysian little Nyonya brand, and it will give you an authentic taste like home. Use other brands that you can find if this brand is unavailable where you are living. You can do it by scratch too, with the right chili pepper at the exact amount, with the tamarind juice, with palm sugar and belacan too. But I used to feel that in the United States, some of these ingredients are not easy to be found. On the nasi lemak, the rice comes with sambal, fried anchovies, roasted peanuts, hard-boiled eggs, sometimes fried chicken and fish and prawns and other curries are added to make it a complete dish, but always with sambal. Rice and sambal still works perfectly, even if all the other dishes are omitted. That's how important the sambal is. Other than garnishing the nasi lemak dish, sambal is also used as a condiment, a dip, or a base for stir-fries and curries. This sambal is made with plenty of love. The recipe needs to be lovingly stirred on a slow fire for nearly 30 to 40 minutes. I usually make a big batch to be refrigerated or frozen in small jars so that I can use them for many dishes. Other than nasi lemak, you can pair it with fried rice vermicelli, and also made into stir-fried prawns, stir-fried vegetables, and so on and so forth. Sambal is a versatile, delicious sauce that can enhance any dish with a spicy and flavorful kick. If you like spicy food, you should definitely try making some sambal. I have loved making this video and hope you will find this video helpful. Now you can easily solve the craving of nasi lemak with this sambal recipe. Let me know where you are tuning in from, and it is always good to know. Please like, share, and subscribe.